If you've ever wished your air fryer could cook larger meals, toast bread, bake cookies, roast a whole chicken, and even replace your toaster oven, then an air fryer oven might be exactly what your kitchen needs. These versatile appliances combine multiple cooking functions into one machine, helping you save both counter space and cooking time. But not every air fryer oven delivers the same performance. Some excel at air frying but struggle with baking, while others offer plenty of cooking space but take longer to preheat. Choosing the right one depends on your cooking habits, the size of your household, and the features that matter most to you. For this list, we compared cooking performance, versatility, ease of use, build quality, customer feedback, and overall value to find 5 air fryer ovens that are genuinely worth buying. Whether you're shopping on a budget or looking for a premium countertop oven, there's an option here for you. Let's get started. Starting our list is the Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, an excellent budget-friendly option that packs plenty of features into a surprisingly affordable appliance. It's a great choice for anyone looking to enjoy the convenience of an air fryer oven without spending a premium price. It combines multiple cooking functions, including air frying, baking, broiling, toasting, and roasting, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of meals using one appliance. Buyers appreciate its spacious interior, intuitive digital controls, and how evenly it cooks everything from frozen foods and pizza to chicken and roasted vegetables. It's also easy to clean thanks to its removable crumb tray and dishwasher-safe accessories. The biggest drawback is that it doesn't heat up quite as quickly as some of the premium models higher on this list. Some users also mention that the exterior can become warm during extended cooking sessions, so it's important to allow adequate space around the unit. Even with those minor drawbacks, the Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo delivers excellent versatility and value, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious shoppers. Coming in at number 4 is the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, a dependable appliance from one of the most trusted names in kitchen equipment. It offers an excellent balance of performance, simplicity, and durability, making it a favorite for everyday cooking. Whether you're air frying crispy fries, toasting bread, baking casseroles, roasting vegetables, or reheating leftovers, this oven consistently delivers reliable results. Many owners praise its solid construction, spacious interior, and straightforward controls that make it easy to use right out of the box. Its classic stainless steel design also looks great on almost any kitchen countertop. The trade-off is that it doesn't include as many digital presets or smart features as some newer competitors. You'll also need to become familiar with the manual controls to get the best results for different recipes. If you prefer dependable performance over flashy features, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven remains one of the best values available. Taking the number 3 spot is the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large Air Fryer Oven, an excellent choice for larger households or anyone who enjoys cooking complete meals in a single appliance. With its generous capacity and wide range of cooking functions, it's designed to handle everything from quick snacks to family dinners. It offers multiple cooking modes, including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, toasting, dehydrating, reheating, and more. The spacious interior can accommodate larger dishes that simply won't fit in many traditional air fryers, making it especially useful for families or those who frequently entertain guests. Buyers consistently praise its even cooking performance, attractive design, and the convenience of replacing several countertop appliances with one machine. The biggest drawback is its size. Because of its large capacity, it requires a fair amount of counter space and may not be the best choice for smaller kitchens. It also takes a little longer to preheat than more compact air fryer ovens. Still, if you regularly cook for several people and want maximum versatility, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large Air Fryer Oven is an outstanding option that delivers excellent performance across a wide variety of recipes. Coming in at number 2 is the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo with 8-in-1 functionality and flip-up and away design. This innovative appliance stands out because it solves one of the biggest complaints people have about countertop ovens: they take up too much space. Its unique flip-up and away design allows the oven to pivot upright against your backsplash when it's not in use, freeing up valuable counter space while still providing a generous cooking area when needed. It offers 8 versatile cooking functions, including air frying, baking, broiling, toasting, roasting, and more, making it suitable for everything from quick breakfasts to full family dinners. Buyers frequently praise how quickly it heats up, how evenly it cooks, and how much kitchen space it saves. The biggest drawback is the price, which is higher than many standard air fryer ovens. Some users also mention that because of its unique design, it takes a little time to get used to operating and cleaning compared to a traditional countertop oven. However, if you're working with limited counter space and want one appliance that can perform multiple cooking tasks exceptionally well, the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is one of the smartest purchases you can make. Taking our top spot is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, widely considered one of the best countertop ovens available today. While it's the most expensive model on this list, its exceptional cooking performance, premium construction, and incredible versatility make it well worth the investment for serious home cooks. This appliance goes far beyond simple air frying. It can roast, bake, broil, toast, dehydrate, slow cook, reheat, and much more, giving you the flexibility to prepare almost any meal with one machine. Its spacious interior easily accommodates larger dishes, while the Element IQ heating system distributes heat evenly for consistently excellent cooking results. Buyers consistently praise its outstanding build quality, precise temperature control, and reliable performance across a wide variety of recipes. The main drawback is its premium price, which may be more than casual cooks are willing to spend. It's also one of the larger models on this list, so you'll want to make sure you have enough counter space before purchasing. Even with those considerations, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro remains our top overall recommendation. If you're looking for an appliance that can genuinely replace several other kitchen devices while delivering exceptional results, this is one of the very best air fryer ovens you can buy. The best air fryer oven ultimately depends on your cooking style, kitchen space, and budget. The Chefman is an excellent budget-friendly option, while the Cuisinart delivers dependable everyday performance. The Emeril Lagasse is perfect for larger families, and the Ninja stands out with its innovative space-saving flip-up and away design. But if you're looking for the best overall combination of performance, versatility, build quality, and long-term value, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is our top pick. You'll find links to all the air fryer ovens featured in this video in the description below. If you decide to purchase through those links, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Our recommendations are based on product features, expert evaluations, and customer feedback to help you make a more informed buying decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Home and Kitchen Finds for more honest product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides to help you find the best kitchen appliances for your home. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.